Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you guys how to build your resume or CV so easy and attractive. Before going ahead, I have one request for you guys to subscribe my channel. It will keep me motivated for more videos. So let's go to our topic. First you have to open Google and write resumebuild.com and click this link that will take us to next page, and here we click on Start My Resume, then it will open the next page. Then we will click on Build My Resume, the next page. Here are so many templates. For instance, I choose this template, click on Use this template, and in the next page fill all the information like name and address, etc. Then click on Save and Next. The next page will give you tips for the experience section. After reading all, just click on the next. In the next page fill all the experience you have. Like me, I have no experience, ha 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 ha. After completing it, the next section will be about your education, skills, and the summary. After completing all, you can download it easily. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my trash video.